Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to create something super useful that most YouTubers don't teach, a timer and a timed input function in Python. These tools are great for building interactive scripts, games, or any app where timing matters. Let's start by making a simple countdown timer. First, we need to import Python's time module. This module provides handy functions for working with time, such as sleep. We'll use this to create pauses between each countdown step. Next, we'll define our countdown function. This function takes two arguments. Second, the number of seconds to count down from. Message, the message that will display when the countdown finishes. We'll use a for loop to count down from the number of second all the way down to 1. Here, range seconds 0 minus 1 means we start from second and go backwards until we hit 1. Every second, we'll print the remaining time. Let me explain. This part is a special character that moves the cursor to the start of the line, so each update will overwrite the previous one, keeping the countdown on a single line. The end equals argument ensures that no extra new line is added after each print. Flush equals true forces the print statement to immediately update the output in real time. Finally, time. Sleep 1 makes the program wait for 1 second before moving on to the next iteration. Once the countdown reaches 0, we'll display the message you pass to the function, like time's up, or anything you want. That's it for our countdown timer. Next up, we'll create the timed input function, so stay tuned for that. But before we begin, we need to install an additional module called inputimeout. This module allows us to capture user input with a time limit. To install it, just open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install inputimeout. Once it's installed, we can import it like this: rom inputimeout import inputimeout. timeouts done. Know that we've imported inputimeout. We're ready to build our timed input function. Let's define the function. This function takes for arguments: time, the number of seconds the user has to respond; prompt, the message we'll display to ask for input; ending message, what we'll print if the user doesn't respond in time; data type specifies the type of input, like str or int. By default, it's a string. Inside the function, we handle the input with a time limit. Here's how it works. Inputimeout prompt, time waits for the user's input, but only for a set number of seconds. If they respond in time, we convert the input to the desired data type using data type X. If the user takes too long, we handle that with timeout handling, except timeouts print ending message. This code will catch the timeouts exception if the user doesn't respond and print a custom message like time's up. Example. Here's an example of how you'd call this function. Timed input 5, enter your age, time's up. int in this case, the user has 5 seconds to enter their age. If they don't, it'll display the message time's up. And that's how you create a timed input function in Python. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks. See you in the next video.